Hello?
Hey, this is Alex. I'm the digital assistant for... How are you today?
Not too bad.
That's great to hear. So it looks like you opted into one of our ads about looking for homes for sale recently. Do you mind if I talk to you about that?
Actually, I'm at work at the moment. I don't really have a chance right now.
No problem at all. I totally understand that you're busy at work. Can I just ask you a quick question before you go?
Yeah.
Thanks
Sorry.
for taking the time. Can you let me know what area you're looking to buy a home in?
That's what we don't know, really. So we're just kind of looking right now.
I totally... Exploring different areas can be exciting. When you're ready to narrow search, our realtor can help you find the perfect location. By the way, do you have a time frame in mind for when you might want to purchase?
Not right now. We got to sell the place we're in before we could do anything.
Ah, I see. Selling your current place first makes sense. It's important to have everything in order. Once you're ready to start the home buying process, our realtor can guide you through it. By the way, it's available right now. Can I check if he can call you back in a few minutes? Or what would be a good time for you to talk?
Probably on Tuesday would be best. I'm like swamped at work with the shorter weekends, so we're kind of hell against it right now.
I completely understand. Tuesdays work well for many people. I'll make a note to have Gabe give you a call on Tuesday.
All right, thank you.
So much. You're welcome. Have a great day, and we're looking forward to working together.
Sounds good.